First up, we have the Safetone 102 gaming PC. Packed with an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super Graphics, 16GB RAM, and a speedy 1TB SD. This pre-built gaming PC is a beast. It's perfect for gaming and everyday tasks. Plus, with the HD graphics card and fast connectivity features, you'll be gaming lag-free. And the best part, it's available for just $699.99. Next on our list is the NSX Gaming Nova desktop gaming computer. Sporting an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G 16GB i4 3600 RAM and a 512GB M2 NVSSD, this PC is a fantastic choice for gamers. Keep in mind that it comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed and is ready to tackle games like Resident Evil 8, Fortnite, and more. And guess what? It's priced at just $499. Moving on to the Skytech Gaming Chronos Mini Gaming PC. With an Intel Core i3 processor, GTX 1650 graphics, 8GB ROM, and a 500GB SD, this compact gaming rig is a budget-friendly option. It's perfect for those looking to dive into gaming without breaking the bank. And at $599.99, it's a... Now, let's talk about the Skytech Gaming Siege Gaming PC. Featuring an Intel Core i7 13700 NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti 32GB DR5 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SD, this powerhouse is ready to handle games at ultra settings and 4K resolution. Priced at $1,699.99, it's a premium choice for serious gamers. Last but not least, we have the Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming PC. With an Intel Core 513400 NVIDIA RTX 3050 16GB RAM, and a 1TB NVSD, this gaming desktop is a fantastic mid-range option. Whether you're into Call of Duty Warzone or Minecraft, it's got you covered. And at $744.69, it's a great deal. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 gaming PCs on Amazon right now. If any of these caught your eye, or if you just love staying in the loop with the latest tech, click the link in the description to get more information and make your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for tuning in to Amazon Reviews, and happy gaming.